Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video we are going to be making macaroni salad. So over here are all my recipe. I have 2 cups of macaroni here, 3 carrots, 3 Irish potatoes, 6 eggs, 2 tomatoes, and 3 cucumber. So we are going to be dicing them, while we go ahead. So guys, I'm going to be adding my carrot in there. So I'm going to leave it to cook for 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, I'm going to be adding other things to it. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt to it. Guys, it's time to combine everything together. So first of all, I'm going to be adding my pasta to it. So the next one I'm going to be adding is this is carrots and Irish potatoes in there. Cumcuber. I'm going to be adding it. Diced tomatoes. This is my 6 eggs. So I've diced it, to the taste I want. So I'm going to be adding half to it. First of all. This salad is so yummy. You guys need to try it. This is very good in this summer. My kids, they love it so much because it's my daughter that bring this recipe. She said in their school they do have it sometimes in the school. So I'm going to be adding my white pepper to it. This is white pepper. I'm going to add a little bit to it, and also a little bit of salt for taste. Salt. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is my yogurt. I'm going to be adding a cup of my Greek yogurt. This is Greek yogurt over here. So I'm going to be using 1 cup. Feel free to add to your taste. So I'm also going to be adding my mayonnaise, 1 cup of mayonnaise. You can see the difference. This is yogurt, while this is mayonnaise. Have you tried this recipe? Have you tried this? So yummy. Yeah. So I'm going to be adding the remaining eggs to it. Yeah, it's ready. It's ready. I'm going to be tasting. So yummy and delicious, so tasty. So I'm going to be dishing it out for my children right away. If you know you live around us, feel free to press our bell. We are just there so we can dive into it together. And if you know you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Feel free to subscribe to my channel, like, and also share. We bake, we cook yummy and delicious recipe over here. Yeah. And we also make some small shops. Yeah, see you guys on my next video. Bye.